What's cooking, foodies? Today we are making our delicious Mediterranean meatballs, great on subs or in spaghetti. Check out our video at the end for our homemade pasta sauce. Here are today's ingredients, and they can be found in the description box below. To a large bowl, add your 1 1/4 pound meat, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of almond flour, 3 tablespoons crumbled feta cheese, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 2 teaspoons dried basil, 2 teaspoons dried oregano, and a half a teaspoon salt. Using your hands, mix ingredients. Be careful not to overmix. Form 8 evenly sized meatballs, and these are pretty good sized meatballs. Place on a baking sheet with parchment paper and bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 22 minutes or until meat is cooked through. Today, Wayne and I are making meatball subs, so we're warming up some marinara sauce and dropping in our meatballs to get them all coated. Then toasting up some subs with provolone cheese. And this makes for a perfect comfort food meal. Enjoy!